Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Zuri Food Channel. I hope you guys are all doing well today. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and a very tasty West African coconut cake. A one-pot coconut cake. And I guarantee you it's the best ever coconut cake you will ever make. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. Leave me likes, comments, share my videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Hi friends, so this is the coconut sponge cake I am talking about. It is a very easy one and very tasty that everyone likes. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. For this recipe, you need 175 grams of butter or margarine, 165 grams of coconut milk, 275 grams of sugar, and I'm using brown sugar, 3 eggs, 1 cup of desiccated coconuts, and you need 225 grams of plain flour or all-purpose flour. So this is what you need for now. You also need half a tablespoon of vanilla essence, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of grated nutmeg. You also need some clear honey to decorate, but it is totally up to you. Well, the first thing is to butter and flour the baking thing. If you do this, it will be very easy for you to remove the cake from the tin when the cake is ready. So butter and flour, and then you have to remove the excess flour from it once you know that you have covered the whole baking thing with it. Okay, another thing is you can also use baking paper or parchment paper. Next, in your mixing bowl, add in the flour and then the baking powder, the salt, the sugar. I am using brown sugar, but if you want to use white sugar, please go ahead and do it. Add the butter or margarine, the desiccated coconuts, you can use fresh one if you prefer, it doesn't matter, and the coconut milk. And then add in 3 eggs. So this is very simple, it is all in one, very quick. Now get your mixer ready and start to mix everything together. Make sure it is well mixed underneath, okay? Make sure there are no lumps whatsoever. So I would say mix it for a good 1 minute for now, okay? Because we are going to add one more ingredient, you know that. So now I am going to stop my mixer. By the way, if you want to use a stand mixer, you can also use it, but this time, since it is a very quick recipe, I prefer to use my hand mixer, but feel free to do whatever you like. And then add in the grated or powdered nutmeg and mix it again for about 10 to 15 seconds. And that's it. Your coconut sponge cake batter is ready. Next, pour it into the baking thing, but don't forget to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, if you want to know the degree in Fahrenheit, please go to Google and it will give you the degrees in Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is 180 degrees Celsius. Next, put the baking thing in the middle tray of the oven and let it bake for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your oven type. So here my cake is ready. By the way, if you want to know if your cake is ready, just stick in a skewer. If the skewer comes out clean, it means the cake is ready. So I let it cook down for about 5-10 minutes, and now I'm just going round it with my my knife. Although I know it will be easy to remove it, but just in case, you know. And that's it. This is my perfect coconut sponge cake. I am going to let it cool again on my cooling rack. Okay, this is it, my friends. It is time to decorate our sponge cake. So this is what I do. I just drizzle a bit of clear honey on it. But if you don't like it, please don't do it. And then I'll decorate it with a bit of desiccated coconut on top of it, just to make it look nice. So this is the moment of truth, guys. I'm just going to cut a slice for you, just for you to see how it looks like on the inside. So this is it, guys. Very nice, very moist, and perfectly baked. Well, this is the end of my video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this. It is very quick and very tasty. Okay, so make sure you try this cake. It is good for parties, and kids love it as well. Enjoy it with your tea or coffee. I'll see you next time. Thank you all. Bye bye.